Quotation marks, mastering dialogue and citations. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of quotation marks. They might seem small, but they play a huge role in conveying messages correctly. So, let's get started. Quotation marks, often simply called quotes, are punctuation marks that come in pairs. They can be double or single, and they indicate 1. Direct speech or dialogue. 2. Titles of certain works, like short stories or songs. 3. Specific words being emphasized or defined. When representing spoken words in writing, we use quotation marks. Here's a simple example. John said, "I love ice cream." A few points to remember. 1. The comma comes before the opening quotation mark. 2. The period, or other punctuation, comes inside the closing quotation mark. Exceptions. Question marks and exclamation points might be inside or outside, depending on the sentence. She asked, "Are you coming? Have you read To Kill a Mockingbird?" Quotation marks can also be used to highlight titles of shorter works or to emphasize specific words. For instance, I just read The Telltale Heart by Edgar Allan Poe. The term sustainability is used frequently in environmental discussions. 1. Mismatched quotes. Always ensure you close the quotation marks. 2. Incorrect. This is a mistake. 3. Correct. This is correct. 4. Nested quotes. Use single quotation marks inside double ones. 5. She said, "I'm here." 6. Misplacement with other punctuation. Ensure punctuation is in the right place with respect to the quotation marks. 7. Incorrect. Are you coming? 8. Correct. Are you coming? Mastering quotation marks is essential for clear communication, especially when dealing with dialogue or citations. Remember the key points we've discussed, and you'll be a quotation mark pro in no time. Keep practicing, and I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!